is a new video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to compile and run our first Java program. So today you're going to be a programmer. Congratulations in advance. So fire up your IDE. Mine was the Apache NetBeans. Please, if you don't have the NetBeans, you can watch my previous videos on how to download the NetBeans. And like I said, before you download the NetBeans, you will have to download JDK and install. They work together. So when the NetBeans frame appears, locate the file at the top left corner. Click on File, then you move to New Project. A window appears right in the middle, and here automatically you can see that we have something that is highlighted here, Java with Ant. So keep it highlighted this way and click on Next. So in this phase, you are just going to click Next. Now another window appears, or an extension of the first window appears, and as you can see, we have project name right here where the cursor is pointing to, project location, project folder. So you can change your project location if you want, but I prefer it to be here as it is easy to locate. Now at the project name section, we have Java application 29. This is the project name, and this is also the main class name. So take note, the main class, if you want to change the project name, then it means you are changing the main class name. So here we are not going to change anything here. You could, so just click on finish. Yours might be different. Mine is Java application 29 because I've created a lot of applications in the previous pages of the software. That's why it's giving us application 29. It doesn't mean I've created 29 applications, though. It counts the number of pages you open. So on this page, we have the structure of the Java program, and as you can see, as I was saying, we have the Java class name here, the name that we left unchanged in the previous window. So on this line, we have the main function. It's already there. I'll be explaining all those statements, all these lines in the videos that will be coming soon. So today we are just going to run without explaining anything. So I'm just going to type, and you're going to see how it works. Let me increase the font here. Okay, I think this is visible enough. Okay, good. This is great. Now let me make this complete. The Hello World program is the first Java program. You don't need this. I will explain that. So let's run this and see what we get. Okay, the terminal is right below the page. So it says build successful, total time, 4 seconds. So it took 4 seconds to run. Here we have Hello World. Now, this program doesn't do much. it only displays hello world as we put here. So this displays hello world. So congratulations, you are now a programmer